Hey friends, welcome back to Mani Maker. If you just got a new Cricut Explore Air 2 and are getting easily intimidated by where to start, don't worry, I've got you covered in this video. If you need our one-on-one assistance, feel free to contact us through the numbers displayed on the screen. Otherwise, you can simply follow me along. Unbox your Cricut Explore Air 2 and remove all the packaging materials. Make sure you have all the accessories included with your machine. Place your Cricut on a flat, stable surface near a power outlet and your computer. Plug the power cord into the back of the machine and connect it to a power outlet. Now, we'll download the Cricut Design Space. For this, you need to open your browser and visit design.cricut.com/setup. Then, follow the on-screen instructions to download the software on your computer. Once installed, open the Cricut Design Space and click on Product Setup. Now, you'll be taken to a Cricut ID creation page on your browser. Just fill out the necessary details and click on the Create Cricut ID button. Once you've successfully signed in, you will see a pop-up at the top of your browser. Just click on Open to launch the Cricut app. Now, select the first option to set up your Cricut machine and click on the Continue button. If you're finding this guide helpful, be sure to subscribe to our channel for more Cricut tutorials and crafting tips. Choose your machine and hit the Continue button. You'll see some on-screen prompts to follow. Just click on the right arrow button to proceed. Here, select the connection type and click on the Continue button. Again, hit the Continue button. Then, grab the USB cable you received along the machine. Now, connect one end of the USB cable to the back of your Cricut machine and the other end into your laptop or computer. Press and open the button located on the left side of your machine to open its lid and remove all the packaging and tape present over there. Then, you need to press the power button. After that, return to your computer and follow the on-screen instructions to complete your setup. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, be sure to hit the like button. For more easy-to-follow tutorials, don't forget to subscribe our channel. You can also visit manimaker.com for more DIY inspiration and creative crafting ideas. And if you ever need technical support or guidance, just give us a call at the contact number shown on the screen.